Everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the Goodview Woodworks channel. Do I have some awesome news in store for you? If you're new to this channel, welcome. This channel is all about woodworking, tool reviews, material reviews, learning, and just having a good old time, boy. Well, do me a favor. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing. Hey guys, what's up? Before we get to that awesome thing that I have to show you, I wanted to go over some other things that have been happening in the shop here. I wanted to give you an update on the buffet server, and I also wanted to give you a couple of other updates, things that are going on around here. Here we go. So we've made a little bit of progress on the buffet server. Got the top finished, and I just want to go over with you what we need to do to finish this thing. So here it is. I don't know if you can see it, but we got the top glued up. It needs to be finished. Also, we added a border here just to kind of give the top a little extra something to look at. What we're also going to do is I put some veneer here. I made some veneer out of maple, and we're going to go ahead and line and cover up all the end grain here that is exposed on the plywood. Same thing here. So as you can see, the buffet server is really coming together. It's looking really nice. We also got some hardware right here. And what we're gonna do is there's gonna be, on the doors, they're gonna have soft close hinges. And also in the middle, in the big section, right here, there will be a drawer that will slide out, and it will also be a soft close. That's what these are for. And here are the soft close hinges for the doors. So the last few steps on the buffet server, what we're going to do is finish putting veneer on the end grain of that plywood so you don't see that ugly stuff. We're going to build a drawer for the center and finish up the doors. Once that's done, it can be sanded, finished. My dang air compressor came on. Dag burn it. There you go. Now you can actually hear me. Sorry about that. So what I was saying was, finish the doors, then we'll be ready to sand, stain, and put some finish on this thing and deliver it to my mama, who I'm sure will be very happy to have it. So the second thing I wanted to talk to you guys about on my list is I wanted to update you on the adoption process that we're going through and have some great news. We are actually in what they call it is the active waiting stage. So we have to go through some training online, and other than that, what we're doing is we're just waiting for a mother to choose us and to place that baby in our home, and we can't be any more excited, and it's just so awesome to see things coming together. It's also pretty cool that because it's around Christmas time and the holidays and the holiday spirits are up, it just makes us think that it would be so great to have our own child here and we can all experience the holidays and Christmas as a family. It's just something that I've looked forward to for a really long time, and it's gonna be coming soon, so stick it out with us. It's gonna be awesome. Now for the moment you guys all been waiting for, probably the reason why you clicked on this video. And I have a pretty cool surprise for you. So this company reached out to me on Instagram and asked me if I would review their product. And I said, you know what? I'd love to review your product. So let me show you what they sent me. This company is called Incredible Solutions, and they reached out to me, and they've seen my other videos with the epoxy and asked if I would review their epoxy. And you know what? I have plenty of projects that I need to use epoxy on, so I figured, why not? I haven't done anything with them yet, but I wanted to kind of point out a few things that are a little different about this epoxy compared to the stone coat countertops epoxy that I normally use. And one, the actual base resin is blue. It's like got like a bluish tint to it, whereas the stone coat countertops has like a yellow tint to it. So it's very interesting. Also, the hardener, they call it a curing agent, and it's clear, which is normal. Stone coat's hardener is like that too. But the cool thing is, if you read the directions on use, it says it's not a casting resin. However, you can pour it up to 1/4 inch thick, and as long as you pour multiple layers, you are able to cast things in it. So I'm really excited to do a few projects with you guys. And what I'm gonna do later on this week is I'm gonna put a poll up to see what you guys want to see with this new product. Whether that be maybe how to make some small pots for succulents, if you would like to see maybe like a river table style cutting board, or let me know what you think you'd like to see. But this week, tomorrow, should be Monday, I'm leaving out of town to go to Twin Cities, Minneapolis, St. Paul for work. I'll be doing as much research as I can and also trying to get as many ideas as I can for future projects, but I'm really excited to use their epoxy on one of my projects and see how it works out. And you never know. This might be a little bit more affordable option for those who can't necessarily afford the more expensive resins out there. Guys, I'm really excited that you stopped by my channel today. It sounded real country right there, didn't I? Well, I'm glad you stopped by my daggone shop right here today. Yeah. But I'm glad you stopped by. I'm glad that we're gonna try out some new products, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Like I said before, if this is your first time here, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the like button and ring the bell for notifications. Guys, I really thank you so much, and until next time, thanks for hanging out with us.